Hey guys, what's up? It's Kanupriya and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm creating a sparkly eye makeup look. It goes well with both ethnic as well as western attire. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, I'm using a moisturizer. It's very important for the base to look flawless. Plus, it acts as a barrier between the skin and the makeup. Mixing a liquid highlighter with foundation for a dewy look. Applying it all over my face and neck with a brush. To cover the dullness around my eyes and mouth area, I'm using a concealer of exactly my shade. Applying a bit more of the foundation for extra coverage. Just blending and blending. Blending is very important for the base to look flawless. Blending with a bigger brush. Using a loose powder to set my under eyes and around the nose where it gets oily during the day. I'm using a fixing spray to lock down my base. For my eyebrows, I'm using a pomade to outline first and then fill it in. I'm following the natural shape of my eyebrow. Now I'm using a black and a grey powder color to fill in the scars area. I have light eyebrows, so I have to do extra steps to make it look fuller and thicker. Using a concealer to make my eyebrow look clean. Clearly they were not done at that moment. I usually don't do this every time. Now using this Swiss Beauty palette, I'm taking this matte brown shade and applying it on my crease. Going little by little, applying in a windshield wiper motion, intensifying the payoff and darkening the outer corner. Here I am taking this pale gold champagne shade from the same palette and applying it from the inner corner of my eyes. I'm using a small flat brush. I'm creating a cut crease here, a soft cut crease. To add a bit more of sparkle, I'm using a liquid eyeshadow on top of it with a brush. Taking the same brown shade, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. I'm drawing a very thin liner close to my lash line. I'm sorry for going out of the frame. I am extending a line from the outer corner and connecting it with the liner, making a triangle and then filling it in. Applying some mascara, coating every lashes. Coating both my upper and lower lashes. I'm using this contour from L'Oreal. I'm adding shadow to my cheekbone and the outer perimeters of my face. I'm definitely hiding those double chin. I'm using this bronzer as a blush. I'm taking the same contour and using a small brush. I'm contouring my nose. I'm blending it really well with a sponge here. This highlighter is my favorite highlighter. I'm applying it on the high points of my face where I want the light to hit and give me the glow. On my cheekbone, brow bone, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, above my eyebrow, and on my chin. Applying a white cone on my waterline. You can definitely use a black kajal as well. It really opens up my eye. I'm using this bold color from Nykaa matte lipstick. I'm first outlining it and then filling in the lips. After applying the lip color, I thought of intensifying the crease shade a little. I went with another liquid lipstick to tone down the bold one. This looks better with the eye look. I added some false lashes and this is the final look. I really like this look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Like this video if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me. See you next time. Bye bye.